There's a hot new workout trend sweeping the nation, and you can do it right from your own home. Haley Hernandez tells us about a program many women say has transformed their bodies.
Veronica Javor has a full-time job, a crazy popular blog, and 2 kids to keep her busy.
He's my wild child, if you can't tell.
She says she hasn't had time to work out in years.
I'm a mom of 2 kids, and I actually didn't work out during either of my pregnancies. I was really sick. And postpartum, I went back to work full time, and just balancing all of that, I never made the time for myself.
But that's all changed with P-Volve.
When you first start doing it, it's like no other program you've ever done. The movements almost seem kind of strange, but once you see the benefits, it's hard to stop. You get addicted.
The workout is most closely compared to Pilates or bar, but
P-Volve is also different from those because there's no pulsing in P-Volve. You only do 8 repetitions of every move,
which has helped her achieve more than physical benefits.
I actually feel a stronger mind-body connection. I've seen an increase in tone.
She says it saved her a ton of time since she can jump right into it as soon as the kids are in bed.
It really just it doesn't look hard, but my leg is shaking. It requires so much balance.
And she says it saved her money.
I always kind of thought that working out was something you kind of had to do, and I would kind of dread it. And so since I've been doing this, I've been able to be consistent, and it's some of the best $30 I spend every month.
Federal health officials are investigating a multi-state outbreak of salmonella infections linked to pig ear dog treats. According to the CDC and FDA, 93 people have been infected in 27 states. 20 of those people had to be hospitalized. The FDA says people get it from either handling the treats directly or from a dog once the dog becomes ill. A company in Indiana is hoping to do something out of this world, literally. This Sunday, they plan to launch a 3D printer to the International Space Station that could print human organs using stem cells. Today, people who need an organ transplant rely on a matching donor and anti-rejection drugs. This way, organs can be tailor-made using stem cells. The manager behind the experiment is excited for the upcoming launch.
There is all that excitement, like the birth of a child. All this work that I've been doing for 4 years finally culminates into this moment.
Now, the printing has to happen in space because the bioinks are so soft, Earth's gravity will destroy them. He hopes astronauts will eventually be able to print an entire organ, but it could be a decade before printing organs enters clinical trials. Some of the deadliest cancers are not getting enough research funding. That's according to researchers at Northwestern University who studied tax records from more than 100 nonprofit organizations. Among those getting the least amount of funding, colon, liver, cervical, ovarian, and pancreatic and lung cancer. That's despite the fact that they are some of the most common and deadliest forms of cancer. Breast cancer, lymphoma, pediatric cancer, and leukemia got the largest amount of funding. Scientists say the lack of funding could possibly have a negative impact on research and drug development.